Here at Accu Therapy Clinic, we're one of the only clinics in the country to offer IDD spinal decompression therapy. IDD therapy gives patients whose previous only option would have been a steroid injection or surgery a safe and effective, non-invasive, alternative treatment option. The treatment is designed specifically for patients who are suffering with disc or spinal joint pain and pathology. This could be causing arm or leg pain and possibly pins and needles or numbness too. It is a fantastic treatment for those people who have tried physiotherapy and osteopathy but have maybe not responded as well as hoped. It should be viewed as part of an overall management package and sits between conventional physiotherapy and osteopathy and spinal surgery. The treatment as a whole lasts for about an hour. This includes a period of heat applied to the area before treatment. This helps to relax the soft tissue and prepare the body for the treatment, much the same as a warm-up before exercise. The patient is on the IDD machine for 25 minutes whilst the distraction forces are being applied. This is followed by a period of ice following the treatment to aid recovery. We have found this treatment really beneficial to our clients and often see people travelling from quite some distance to use the machine. We have also had a number of clients that have avoided surgery having had the treatment. If you'd like to find out more about IDD therapy and how it could help you, contact us now.